Hi loves, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe for lots of helpful tips, colorful reviews and of course makeup tutorials. And if you are already subscribed, then yay! Thank you so much and so nice to see you back. In today's video I'm going to tell you how to sharpen retractable eyeliners. As examples I have two Nyx Off Tropic liners. They're both retractable and they don't have a built-in pencil sharpener because some retractable eyeliners go with a pencil sharpener right here, which you can take off and sharpen the end. A lot of people are telling me that while they're retractable they don't need to be sharpened, and I just don't understand that. I mean, yes, I can retract them, I don't have to sharpen them to get access to the product, but the tip is blunt. How am I supposed to draw my wing with a blunt tip? And I know that a lot of other people, including me, for this reason try to refrain from buying retractable pencils, because really that's less convenient than the pencils that you can just put in your pencil sharpener. However, I will show you a hack of what to do if you were still charmed by the color of a retractable pencil. So let's do kind of a quick swatch and make the tip blunt first. And basically the only way I found to make the tip sharper but not to make it crumble at the same time is using a razor, just a regular razor. And here is what I usually do. I just drag the tip of the pencil across the blade. Make sure you do it above a tissue or above a sink. And let's just repeat the same trick for green. And here we go. The tips are sharp again and they did not crumble, they did not fall off. So here is a tip if you still want to do a wing with a retractable eyeliner. Of course the built-in sharpeners that go with some of these liners are way more convenient. And I wish they were sold separately, but I searched several shops. I browsed several internet shops and I couldn't find these anywhere. If you know a place that sells them, please let me know. In the meantime, you can just use a regular razor, and I hope this helps. If it does, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see the looks with these off-tropic liners and other colorful looks, just visit my Instagram. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Bye bye, loves.